If your 370Z goes into limp mode on a cold morning, the problem likely isn't a bad throttle body, it's just a dirty one. No, your throttle position sensor isn't failing. The car's computer is being tricked by a thin layer of cold carbon sludge. On any 2009 to 2020 370Z, the engine naturally produces a little oil vapor called blow-by. This gets routed back into the intake, and over thousands of miles it bakes onto the inside of your dual throttle bodies, leaving a sticky black film. When the temperature drops below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, that sludge gets thick. It physically slows the throttle's butterfly valve by just a few milliseconds when you first press the pedal. Your ECU sees that tiny lag, assumes a throttle motor has failed, and throws codes like P2135 or P2101 to trigger limp mode. As soon as the engine warms up, the sludge softens, and the problem vanishes until the next cold start. The fix is a simple cleaning, but there's one common mistake to avoid. First, you must disconnect the battery. Then, using a dedicated throttle body cleaner and a soft, lint-free cloth, wipe the inside of the throttle body bore and the edges of the brass plate. You'll see the black residue come right off. Keep wiping until your cloth comes out clean. The crucial step is this. Do not manually force the butterfly plate open while the battery is connected. Doing so can damage the motor's internal position sensor, turning a simple cleaning into a full replacement. After cleaning and reassembly, the job isn't finished. You have to perform 2 relearn procedures so the ECU can adapt to the clean throttle body. First is the throttle valve closed position learning. Turn the ignition on, engine off for 10 seconds, then turn it completely off for another 10 seconds. Second is the idle air volume learning. Get the engine to full operating temperature. Turn off all accessories like the radio and AC and just let it idle and park for at least 30 seconds. You may hear the idle speed change slightly as the computer finds its new baseline. If you skip these steps, you'll trade limp mode for a permanent high idle and probably a P2135 code. Once the carbon is gone and the idle is relearned, that cold morning limp mode will be gone for good.